How to add reviews in Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to go inside your Shopify dashboard, and under apps you just click add apps. And from here you go to the Shopify app store. And here you search for reviews. And let's install this product reviews app here. And then click add app. And then you want to click install app. And once the app is installed, you go to your online store and then go to customize theme. And then you want to go to catalog and then find the product you want to leave a review app on. And inside here you want to click add block and then reviews. And as you can see here, we now have the review block inside this product. And as you can see, you can click write a review, and then you can enter a name, email, and the rating and the review title, and then submit review. And it will show just like this. So this is how you add reviews in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.